Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing, a get ready with me graduation. For graduation today, I'm graduating today. Obviously when I post this video, it's not gonna be the same day, but I'm gonna be doing, a get ready with me slash like simple eye look tutorial, I guess. But yeah, it's mostly just gonna be me like just getting ready. I might just put more music just because I don't know, I don't feel like talking a lot in this video, but it's mostly just gonna be, you guys just watching me. I mean, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna just do my eyebrows. I'm gonna just do my eyebrows off camera, clean them out, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so I already did my eyebrows, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like literally just use whatever like the concealer. I put a little bit more actually like on my eyelids to use as a base for my eyeshadow, and today's eyeshadow, it's gonna be like really easy. Like it's only like 2 shades honestly, plus glitter, but anyways, now that I have my concealer down, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my eyelids. I'm gonna set them that way, it doesn't move around, it doesn't crease. I don't want it to crease, so I'm just taking some air spun powder, packing that on the lid, and then dust it off, kind of like blend it in there. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this ColourPop Double Entree. Oh, Double Entendre? I don't know how to say it, but it looks like this. And I'm going to be using one color from here. And the color I'm going to be using is this one right here. Wait, right here. Just because it's like a really like neutral shade. So I'm going to like dip my Morphe E27 brush in there. And I'm literally just gonna apply it to the crease because we're gonna be doing like a rounded cut crease and putting glitter on it. So you just want that as like to act as some color on there. Guys, I'm gonna be taking some concealer now, and I'm just gonna apply some on I always do. I always apply some just right here, and we're just gonna do a round cut crease because I honestly think it's like really flattering on my eye shape. If you guys don't think so, then whatever, I think so. I'm just gonna be taking my Simply Simon's brush and just, cutting it out. And I'm gonna apply some glitter on there. Sorry for all like the cuts. It's because like I'm currently getting ready, and then my family's asking me about like the tickets and stuff like that, and I'm like, I have to reply. But then at the same time, I need to hurry up because I think I only have like an hour. And I'm just trying to hurry is my point. My phone, oh my god, I just realized how crazy my hair is looking now that it's drying. It's because I took a shower right before I did this, but I just noticed how slowly my phone was like falling and falling and falling. I'm just like, oh my god. Anyways, okay, so now that I have my like concealer down there, it's still wet, I haven't like set it. I'm going to set it with some oh shoot, I'm just like tapping it in real quick just to kind of blend it out, take off as much of like the excess that I don't need. So I'm going to set it with some powder. Let me look for a clean brush though, because I haven't done like a crazy glittery, not crazy, but like just glitter in general look, so I want to do that. By the way, you guys, I am gonna be trying to vlog some of like the ceremony because they are letting us with our phones. I just really wish they would have let us like decorate our caps, but they don't, so that kind of sucks, but oh well. Okay, so I'm just taking like the brush that I used to like apply that brown. I'm just kind of like going over it just to kind of like dust off the rest of the powder. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a white shade, a soft shade. I'm gonna be taking the Kat Von D Shade and Light eye palette. Looks like this. I got it at Marshalls for like 20 bucks. And I'm gonna be taking a little flat brush and taking this shade right here, which is called Glacier, and I'm just gonna be applying that just right there where I literally set it with some powder, just as a base for like the glitter, because this has like little like glitter specks, which I really like. That's why I'm using this specific shade of white. So the glitter I'm gonna be taking is by Glitter Injections. It looks like this. It's like a white shade. It has like little hints of like blue, but I'm gonna be applying that because I really like it. It looks really pretty. I think just a little, not a lot, a little bit will make it look pretty. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. I'm looking for my glue right now. Okay, I have my glitter glue, and I'm just gonna apply some and, you know, apply some on the eye. You know, this is like kind of like preference, however much you want. I'm gonna put like a decent amount because I don't want too much. Just kind of like, I like this glue, by the way. I don't know what it is about it, but I really like it. And I'm just gonna use my finger to like tap some away, like if it was concealer, just to get like a lot of the excess off, because I don't want to have too much on my eye and then it like crease up, because that's not cute. Just tapping it. It's pretty tacky, so I'm gonna just go ahead and dump some glitter on like on the little place that I have right here. Just put in a little bit on like paper. And I think I'm actually gonna use like a fluffy like blending brush, and it's like more sparse, whatever, you know. And I'm gonna use it to actually, I'm gonna use this actually to apply it, because it doesn't hold a lot. I think it'll hold just like the right amount. And like, oh yeah, that's what I meant. Because I feel like putting a packing brush will literally pack it on, and I don't want it to be packed on. Alright, so I'm gonna take some of this Alpha Putty primer. I'm actually gonna take a lot because I don't know why not. Just excuses to use a lot, huh? So I'm trying to close it. Okay, I really like it, honestly. It makes it feel like hydrating but not oily, you know. So, ooh, ASMR. Applying that. Whoa, I did kind of put a lot. Some on my forehead. So I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes, and then you guys are gonna come back once I come back. You guys are gonna see me with just foundation and powder, and then I'm gonna just, you know, be bronzing up and highlighting with you guys. Okay, so now I look really white. I put my hair because I was putting on my foundation, but I need to hurry up because I only got like basically, oh my god, I only have like 40 minutes basically. I need to hurry up. I'm gonna be taking my matte bronzing powder. It looks like this. This is the Essence one, and I'm just gonna be taking this on this like Morphe brush because it's like fat and it's like gonna help me do it faster. I'm applying some all right there, you know, just to help out, make me look skinnier. And I'm gonna be taking my Too Faced bronzer. This is the Chocolate Soleil. I've been using this freaking bronzing thing for like, ooh, I tasted the chocolate, for a while now, and I really like it, and I need to buy a new one. I'm surprised I haven't hit pan yet. Like, I like use it every time I do makeup. I use it, so I'm like really surprised I haven't hit pan yet. But anyways, I'm just applying that like that, my nose. So now that I'm pretty bronzed up, guess what we're doing now? Highlight. I feel like I feel so awkward right now in this video just because I'm like being so like in a rush. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with some spray before I put on the highlight, because the highlight will stick on better once your face is like, you know, pretty wet. So, you know, just tapping all that in with like the clean side of a sponge. But you don't want to go in right away. You want to make it like, you want to put it on when your face is like almost dry but not completely dry. So I usually kind of like fan it down to like rush the process. And the highlight I'm going to be using is from the Morphe x James Charles palette, the shade Face, which is this one right here, which is like Dirty Around. I love this highlight, like, oh my god, I love using this. So, ooh, look at that. Who needs a light when you got this highlight? Alright, you guys, so I already did my highlight, and I'm going to do some on my brow bone, because I want to look really glowy, you know. So I think I'm pretty glowed up right now, you know. You could kind of, oh, you could really actually see it. Let me focus this. Okay, so I need to hurry up because it's already 4:40, like 4, and I need to be there by 5:10, and I still need to do my hair, you know. So I'm gonna just go ahead and finish off my makeup, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final thing. I'm just gonna put on an eyeliner and mascara. That's pretty much it. Alright guys, so that was the end for this section because I'm gonna be vlogging some over there. But this is the final look. I literally just put on some lashes and a nude lip, but I kind of took it off because I'm gonna put on a different one. I don't know if I'm gonna use the plus because it's pretty windy outside, so I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna have my cup on and my gown, so it's not gonna be too like open. And yeah, so you know, I'm gonna make an outro right now because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make one later. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and as always, don't forget to follow all my social medias. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I counted my mom as like me.
Okay, so we're out here now. My friend Cynthia, Sarah, always calling on the phone, and Joanne. We're just waiting to be escorted out right now. I'm sorry you guys can see my texture.
Let's go!